DJI Mini 5 Pro price, specs and game-changing features. DJI has long dominated the consumer drone market, setting the benchmark for innovation, portability, and performance. Each release in the Mini series has pushed the boundaries of what an ultralight drone can achieve, balancing powerful features within the strict sub-250 grams category, making them widely accessible while staying compliant with aviation regulations in many regions. Now, the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, slated for release on August 7, 2025, promises to be the most ambitious leap forward yet. With a bold redesign, next-generation imaging, unprecedented flight time, and a suite of intelligent eye-driven tools, the Mini 5 Pro is positioning itself not just as an upgrade but as a redefining force in the ultralight drone space. This deep dive unpacks everything we know about the Mini 5 Pro, from its expected price range to the rumored specifications and game-changing features that could make it the most exciting drone of 2025. A new standard in design, aerodynamics meets portability, has given the Mini 5 Pro a significant physical makeover. The drone is reported to feature a new aerodynamic frame that's 1 mm thicker yet simultaneously manages a 30 grams reduction in overall weight compared to its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro. This redesign serves two major purposes. 1. Durability. A sturdier frame makes the drone more resilient to wear, minor impacts, and prolonged flights. 2. Efficiency. The refined shape improves airflow, making the drone cut through the sky with less resistance, translating into smoother handling and better fuel efficiency from the motors. Another crucial improvement comes in the form of larger vented motors paired with quick-release propellers. These not only enhance thrust and flight stability but also simplify field maintenance. Swapping out props for replacements or upgrades will be quicker than ever, ideal for professionals and hobbyists who frequently travel with their gear. Game-changing flight time. 50 to 55 minutes battery life has always been the Achilles heel of drones. DJI is tackling this head-on by equipping the Mini 5 Pro with a massive 4680 mAh battery, of first in the sub-250 grams category. This upgrade translates to a staggering 50 to 55 minutes of flight time, nearly doubling what many competitors can achieve. For drone pilots, this means extended filming sessions without constant battery swaps, longer exploration flights for landscape and travel videography, greater operational flexibility for professional tasks like mapping, inspection, or surveying. If these numbers hold true upon release, the Mini 5 Pro could single-handedly set a new benchmark in flight endurance. Imaging powerhouse. The upgraded camera system at the heart of every DJI Mini is its camera, and the Mini 5 Pro's imaging system is shaping up to be nothing short of revolutionary. 1-inch sensor. Biggest rumored upgrade is the inclusion of a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a considerable leap over the smaller 1.3 and 1/2 sensors typically seen in ultralight drones. A sensor this size opens the door to higher resolution stills and videos. Dramatically improved low-light performance. Greater dynamic range with better retention of details in highlights and shadows. Full 360 gimbal rotation. Cinematourists are particularly excited about the rumored full 360-degree gimbal rotation. Unlike traditional 3-axis gimbals with limited tilt and roll, this would allow for seamless orbit shots, continuous panning, and creative camera movements that were previously only possible with high-end drones or advanced stabilization rigs. Enhanced optics. Mini 5 Pro's lens is said to feature wider aperture opening for better low-light clarity, improved field of view at high zoom levels, optical image stabilization noise for smoother footage in challenging conditions. Combined, these enhancements position the Mini 5 Pro as a genuine tool for professional-level aerial cinematography without breaking the lightweight design ethos. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Smarter, safer flight safety is at the forefront of the Mini 5 Pro's design. DJI is rumored to be incorporating an advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing system that integrates front-facing LAR light-assisted radar sensor with an unprecedented range of up to 25 meters. 3D infrared system capable of detecting objects up to 25 meters away, even in low light. Real-time depth perception for obstacle avoidance and improved tracking accuracy. This marks a considerable jump from the obstacle detection on previous Mini models. For beginners, this translates into confidence and crash prevention, while for professionals it means greater freedom to attempt complex maneuvers without sacrificing safety. Ultra Transmission System, 20 kilometers range and expanded controls. Mini 5 Pro will debut with DJI's Ultra Transmission System, delivering a 20 kilometers range, a massive step forward for connection stability and signal clarity. Compatibility will include RC to remote controller, RC in 3 motion controller, DJI Goggles 3. This opens new creative possibilities such as first-person view FPV-style flights, intuitive hand gesture control, and enhanced remote piloting experiences. Intelligent flight and AI tracking. DJI is doubling down on artificial intelligence. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature AI-powered tracking systems that can lock onto subjects in real time, analyzing their movement, speed, and shape, predict flight paths to maintain smooth tracking shots, optimize power usage, allowing smarter battery management. This makes it particularly powerful for sports and action videography, where fast and unpredictable movements demand both speed and precision from the drone. Video specs and color science. For creators, video specs are everything, and the Mini 5 Pro seems poised to deliver 8K 360 video recording with dual 1-inch sensors when paired with the new Osmo 360. 4K resolution at 120 fps for buttery smooth slow motion. 10-bit color support, ensuring richer, more accurate post-production flexibility. DJI's color science continues to evolve, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to bring enhanced HDR capabilities, sharper contrasts, and improved image clarity straight out of the camera. Storage and RAM improvements. Unlike its predecessors, which required heavy reliance on microSD cards, the Mini 5 Pro will reportedly come with 32 GB of built-in storage. While not massive, it's enough for 10 to 12 hours of video recording at standard 4K, several minutes of 8K 360 footage playback. This inclusion gives creators peace of mind that they'll always have emergency storage if they forget or misplace an SD card. Accessories and bundles. DJI is expected to release the Mini 5 Pro with multiple purchasing options. Standard kit, $850, includes the drone, remote, 1 battery, and basic accessories. Fly More Combo, $1,200, adds extra batteries, filters, propeller guards, and a carrying case. Premium kit rumored at $2,499, possibly bundled with the new Osmo 360 camera for dual 8K capture, premium filters, and advanced accessories. These options ensure the Mini 5 Pro appeals to everyone from casual hobbyists to professional filmmakers. Why the Mini 5 Pro could be a game-changer. DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another iteration, it's shaping up to redefine the sub-5 OG category entirely. Here's why. 1. Flight endurance. 50+ minutes is unheard of in ultralight drones. 2. Professional-grade imaging. A 1-inch sensor and 360 gimbal rotation unlock cinema-level possibilities. 3. AI-powered tracking, smarter, safer, and more creative autonomous features. 4. Ultra Transmission System, long-range reliability and advanced control options. 5. Obstacle avoidance. Omnidirectional sensing ensures safety for both beginners and experts. By combining these features into a drone that remains under 250 grams, DJI could effectively blur the line between hobbyist and professional gear, giving creators unmatched creative freedom in a portable, regulation-friendly package. Release date and final thoughts. Mark your calendars. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch on August 7, 2025. With its rumored feature set, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the most ambitious upgrade in DJI's Mini lineup to date. Whether you're a travel vlogger seeking lightweight portability, a filmmaker needing professional-level imaging, or a drone enthusiast eager to push the limits of ultralight performance, the Mini 5 Pro promises to deliver. Expected price range: standard kit $850, Fly More Combo $1,200, premium kit Osmo 360 bundle $2,499. If these predictions hold true, the Mini 5 Pro could very well dominate the drone market in 2025, cementing DJI's reputation as the gold standard in aerial innovation.